Hello, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new episode of 360 Quick House. I, Vaibhav, once again welcome Gautam Satish and Siddharth Suresh into the show. Welcome.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
It's match 38. It is Kings 11 Punjab versus Delhi Capitals. It is KL Rahul taking on Shreyas Iyer. Now, let us see the players to watch out for in tonight's game. Starting with KL Rahul. Gautam, what is your take on KL Rahul?
Yeah, well, I don't have to speak much about KL Rahul. We all know how good he has been over the years for India as well as for the franchise that he has played for. In this season, he has just been sensational. The way he has batted, single-handedly winning games for his side. But unfortunately, they are in a position where they shouldn't have been, but they still have chances to make it to the playoffs. But a lot will depend on this man. I think the way he has batted, the maturity with which he has batted has been really nice to see. That's the quality of the batsman. The way he has modified, especially if you look at his strike rate, has come down because he wants to stay till the end and finish the game for his side. I think he's a brilliant player, and as I said, if Punjab will have to qualify, Rahul should keep continuing what he has been doing.
Next, we have Shikhar Dhawan. Siddharth, what is your take on Shikhar Dhawan?
Yeah, well, I've gone with Shikhar Dhawan. I think the way he started this tournament to the way he's batting now, it's been such a tremendous improvement. 100 in the last game, that too a quick one, a match-winning one, which is amazing to watch the way he batted, the way he took off from ball one. We can see that confidence. He's really enjoying himself on the field. He's been running around. He's been taking amazing catches. You can see that excitement he has. I think that's what happens when you're able to find form after a couple of bad performances. So I think he'll be on his toes today as well, to score the runs and make it big. So I think he'll have another good game. And with Iyer falling out of form, I think it's much more important that he leads the side from the front.
Next, we have Siddharth's battle to watch out for, and that is Nicholas Pooran versus Andrick Nokia. Siddharth, what is your take on this battle?
Well, we just heard Gautam talking about how Rahul has matured as a player, when he's been given the responsibility as captain as well. I think he's taken the onus upon himself. But I think Pooran, he's still young, we know that, but he has been immature with his batting. I think he's thrown away his wickets a couple of times, and maybe if they would have stayed for longer, there might have been 2 more games where they could have won. So I think that's all Pooran needs to do, because we know he can hit it. We've seen him clear the boundaries in Dubai with so much ease. He looks like a small man, but geez, he's got some power. So he can hit the sixes. All he needs to do is stay in the middle and make sure that he bats till the end, sees the team is over the line, or at least end their innings on a high note. So that's why he's important. Nokia, he's been brilliant for Delhi. I think the duo of Rabada and Nokia have come so handful for Delhi. He's been brilliant with the ball. It's not easy to clock 156. So he's been brilliant. If he can bowl a good spell and get Rahul and Agarwal out early, I think Delhi can find themselves an easy win today.
Next, we have Gautam's battle to watch out for. That is between Ajinkya Rahane versus Mohammad Shami. Gautam, what is your take on this battle?
Yeah, well, it's going to be a good battle because these players know each other very well. I can say they've been playing for India for many years, and So, speaking first about Mohammad Shami, I think he's been brilliant this season and almost every season now. He has been the go-to bowler. But what we have seen is the Shami, his skills with the new ball, the old ball in the season, especially at the back end, where he nailed those Yorkers in the previous game against MI. That was brilliant to see. I think great signs for Indian cricket. Bumrah and Shami nailing those Yorkers in the super over. That was brilliant to see. And I think that should be a confidence booster for Punjab, who have struggled in the death overs. So with Shami able to nail those Yorkers, it's good signs for them. Talking about Rahane, he replaced Rishabh Pant in the playing 11. I do not know how many more matches he'll be getting, but I can say he has not made good use of the opportunity that he has got. So he'll be keen to make an impact before making way for Pant. He's a quality player, and yes, it'll be interesting to see how he plays Mohammad Shami.
Here we have the orange cap holder, KL Rahul, with 525 runs. The purple cap holder is Kagiso Rabada with 19 wickets. And the highest individual score in IPL 2020 is again by KL Rahul, and it is 132 not out. The best bowling figures is by Jasprit Bumrah, 4 for 20. Most valuable player is Jofra Archer, and the Paytm Fair Play Mumbai leading it. Here we have the points table. And finally, it's time to make the prediction. Siddharth, which team are you going to back tonight?
Yeah, well, I'm going with Punjab. I think they've been on the back of
yes, I'm hoping that they'll win tonight.
And now currently it is 22-16 at the moment. Congratulations, Gautam.
Yeah, thank you.
And last time you both had chosen Mumbai and Punjab had won. It was such an interesting match. So today both of you are choosing Punjab. That's it for today. Thank you so much, Gautam and Siddharth.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. We couldn't have a meeting yesterday due to technical issues. So keep supporting us. Hit the bell icon if you're not yet. Hit the bell. Thank you. Cheers.